how to add TXT record to your Crazy Domains products. In this video session, we're going to look at the cPanel option for adding TXT record. Let's press on Manage, and through our control panel, simply log in to our cPanel. When we're here, let's find Zone Editor. Here we can press on Manage and add, as in select, Add TXT record. Let's look at some examples. Let's say for Google Search Console site verification. Valid zone name. For this example, you can put your domain with a dot at the end, save record. So that is how you add TXT record. I need to delete that, and to edit it, we can edit it anytime or delete it. And same process should be followed for adding, let's say, Google Workspace. So these will be perhaps unique for your example, and the details as to what goes into TXT record you should have in front of you. Okay, so whether it's for Google Workspace, Microsoft, Mail, it doesn't matter. And for what purpose? This is how you add TXT record for Crazy Domains. In this example, it was web hosting. But regardless of the product that you're using, because they've got many different ones, simply find the zone records for the website that you're managing, perhaps, okay? Because one way or another, you will have an option to add TXT record.